You may be thinking, strawberries don't have genes, right? Well, think again. I'm not talking about the denim clothing. I'm talking about the traits that make up a living thing. For this experiment, you'll need a half a cup of rubbing alcohol, a half a teaspoon of salt, a third a cup of water, 3 strawberries, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, measuring cup for liquids, measuring spoons, glass or small bowl, funnel, tall drinking glass, cheesecloth, Ziploc bag, small glass jar, and bamboo skewer or toothpick. To start the experiment, you'll want to mix a third cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and the 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid in a glass or small bowl. Set the mixture aside, as this will be the liquid that you will use to extract the DNA. Line your funnel with cheesecloth. Put the funnel's tube in a tall drinking glass, not the one with the extraction liquid. Cut the strawberry tops off and put the berries in the Ziploc bag. Make sure all the air is pressed out and make sure that you have a trusty adult to help you with cutting the berries. Squeeze and smash the strawberries for about 2 minutes. Make sure that you have a pretty stable bag because the first time I did the experiment, mine popped. So you want to make sure that you have a bag that will not break. Add 3 tablespoons of the extraction liquid into the strawberry bag once you're done. Push out all the air and reseal the bag. Squeeze this mix for about a minute. Now pour the mixture into the funnel so the liquid is filtered through the cheesecloth. If it's taking too long for the liquid to pour into the glass, I would recommend using a spoon to push down the liquid from the cheesecloth funnel into the glass. Or you can always just take out the cheesecloth and squeeze it yourself, whichever works. Pour the strawberry liquid from the tall glass into the jar. Measure a half a cup of rubbing alcohol and slowly pour this into the jar so there's about an inch thick layer above the alcohol of the strawberry mix. Do not let the alcohol and the strawberry liquid mix. Now you'll see the DNA. It appears to be the white clear string. Dip the skewer into the jar where the liquid and alcohol layers meet up and pull the skewer to see the DNA. Before we get into how this works, we need to define what DNA is. DNA, also known as deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint that makes you and makes up any other living thing. Every living thing has a complex code of DNA organized into genes that make up certain traits, like how strawberries have genes to make them red. DNA is inside a living thing's cells, which are the basic workers of a living thing. Cells use DNA instructions to know what to do in your body. Now, how are you able to get DNA outside of the cell? DNA is smaller than the eye can see, so how are we able to see it in the experiment? When you add salt in the dishwashing liquid to the strawberries, the liquid helped to pop open the cells. The salt helped the DNA gather in clumps for you to see it. And then the alcohol separated the DNA from the rest of the liquid and allowing you to see the stringy, clear DNA. Now it's your turn to try this sensational experiment. Hatter Stem out.